Yofi. Neil, I wanted to introduce, this is Yaakov, who when you come here again, you're definitely going to hang out with him. You'll see. We gave the tax site over yesterday to him, right? So I wanted to, from your family obviously, and this is only part of it. They're going to get the upgrade as soon as it's ready. But Yaakov to say a few words. Yaakov's one of the security directors of the Binyamin region. So, Chavo.
Neil, I think this is the what, number 4 or 5? I mean, in Binyamin that you gave us.
Binyamin is 4 or 5.
You gave Yeshirot to the Rav Shatzim, but you gave us a few of them, two of them to us. Neil, I have to tell you that this is one of the best things that's saving lives, mamash, in Binyamin lately. We're using it a lot around the Yeshuvim. What we love about this Thermi, it's that you can take it everywhere. You can just set it on you, run out to the area, pick it up, check out the whole area. We work with it a lot with ATVs around the Yeshuvim. That we start with the ATV, it mixes them all up, and we catch a lot. And mamash toda for what you're donating for us, and mamash, you're saving us over here in Israel. And thank you. And next time you're in Israel,
absolutely,
you're going to come over here. We're going to take you out to the area. We're going to take you out on an ATV and show you how good this thing is.
Trust me, I'm telling you, you're really going to love it. You'll have fun. Yalla.